The only tool you'll need to remove the back door panel is a Phillips head screwdriver. You have one screw here and one screw in the handle holder here. Start here at the top and gently pry it away. So you can actually move this out. It makes it easier to pry away. Pry these others off. And there you go. The back door panel is off. We'll put it back on. Line your pegs with the hole. Give a nice little tap. Line your pegs again with the hole. Replace this with the front to the open side. It's the skinnier of the two screws. Take the other screw and put it back down in the hole here. And there you have it, how to remove and replace the door panel for a 2003 Tundra.